Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use right click on your MacBook Air. And to do this, you'll need to adjust secondary click first, so open your system settings and then scroll down. Here you should be able to find the trackpad and secondary click. This will act as our right click, as usually on a normal Windows PC. So for me it's click in the bottom right corner, but you might have something else. Now to actually use it, as I mentioned, it's in the bottom right corner. We're gonna click right here, and this act as the right click on a normal Windows PC mouse. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.